It is not even 7. Not sure what I'm doing up this early, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's supposed to rain around noon, so I wanted to get into town pretty early this morning. So I'm heading in, gonna meet up with this kid that I used to run with back in high school. Been seeing a lot of his stuff on social media. Been really digging it, so we've been trying to coordinate something, finally found some time. And looking forward to it. Not really sure exactly what we're doing. As always, never really have a plan. Should probably work on that. But other than that, let's go have a fucking day, baby. Peace.
What if I left anything Alright, I'm ready now, I ain't gonna fall back now. Alright, I'm take it on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, are you gonna be my lover? Tonight, I'll take it with me. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. I ain't gonna stop right now. Alright, take it on me, ooh baby. Alright, I never ask, do you wanna see my fire? Tonight, take it with me, ooh baby. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind.
Why are you hitting yourself? Can somebody explain to me what's going on here?